In this video we will cover the license install procedure for DDM. Our first step is to access the license manager. To do this you'll need to know your server name. From a client you can find this by navigating to the client configuration on the start menu and copying the server name located here. From here we can open a web browser and navigate to http followed by the server name and then /DDM. On the following web page we click on the third link down for DDM license server. On this page we log in with a DDM admin credentials, and here we see the summary page. So we can see that I currently have 4 licenses in place that have all expired. If CSI has not yet generated you any licenses, you will need to navigate to the About page and send over one of the MAC addresses listed within. As you can see, I have quite a few. Once sent a license by CSI, what we can do is go to the Add Licenses page. We can browse for the license and locate it. So I have copied the license from an email onto my desktop. After we click Open, if we click Load, we can see that we have now added 10 licenses. If I now navigate back to the license summary, we will see I now have an extra license with no expiry. If you repeat these last steps for every license that you get sent, you will now install your DDM licenses successfully.